Hello, good afternoon to you all. Today in this video I'll show you how you can fix if autofill service is not working on your Android mobile. So this is not actually not working. If a pop-up is showing something like this, I'll show you on the Google on the services list. If you click on autofill with Google, see here autofill with Google is disabled. So this is because under your Android phone settings you need to enable autofill service for Google somewhere. So first click on your phone settings, then click on additional settings and keyboard and input. For few manufacturers it will be something like additional settings, keyboard and input. For few mobiles the keyboard and input may be directly available. So if you tap on this, here you will need to give it as Google. So by default it will be in the none state. You need to enable it to Google so that now it works. So I'll show you. Go to Google. See here, this is enabled. So I hope you like this tutorial and thanks for watching. Have a nice day.